At least if I die, there'll be footage.
Nice kick.
The grip falls off.
Nice kickstand, bud.
Yeah.
Come out and play.
Really?
Oh yeah, do a remix, right?
More butt than ashtrays. Fuck a fair one, I get mine the fast way. The last one is far from handsome, but damn, I'm getting Exposed and shaking in their boots. A visible bully, like the gooch disappear. Vamoose, you whack take them rhymes back to the factory. I see the gimmicks, the whack lyrics, the shit is depressing, pathetic. Please forget it. You're mad cause my style you're admiring. Don't be mad, you exercise. You should have been the cop, hip hop. With that freestyle, you're bound to get shot. Not from Houston, but I'm the flavor drop.
Here comes a brand new flavor, yeah. Time for new flavor, yeah. New flavor in your air, like a brand new flavor in your air. Here comes a brand new flavor, yeah. Time for new flavor in your air. Word up, the rap, your boy. What you rap like my too lazy? Hold it for me. I'm straight back quick. Bust the head.
Oh, you got the full beard now?
Yeah.
You working for the Amish?
Yeah.
Fucking front brake could have stopped.
And we're back to this garbage again. That's insane.
No.
It looks like it's all.
Adam can't even ride his own bike.
He's the team mechanic. So
Yeah,
he did build the forks. So
I built the forks on Luke's bike and just fucking smoked the triple.
I listen.
T. Hayes, get on the fucking 250 and show him what. KRS
Listen, the
defense is all about.
250, this has
KRS. Listen, we're team no budget here, and this guy's giving me a hard time about this.
He's pretty harsh right now. Unbelievable.
I was actually, it's very brave of him.
Now you got to get your dome split. I'm going into my knapsack with my gat. Take off my hat. Yes, I'm just cool like that. The dangerous, the ruggedness, the flappers your bitch. BLS 97 kiss after this. You live long in this rap game. Singing on my name.
You're jingling, baby. Hey, shit. Stevie, delicious. Give me couscous, love me good. Damn, Hollister Hollywood, but is he good?
Adam, bud. Dude, hell of a brake tab. You stalled the bike you tapped so hard.
Such a dickhead. He's so rude.
Hey, Tyler, do it from right here. Right here? Yeah.
I don't know. He's gonna have to really sit into that. I mean, he'll get it, because he always does. But
This is the biggest hole shot of my life.
really, from the base of that, just so you Megamo that, you'll see his front wheel.
I wheelied off it.
I told you.